Hello everyone, Jack here from CollectorZ World, and today I'm super excited for that one here. I got my little table with me right now, and even though I got the Goku Super Saiyan God for that one here, for one if you should, because today I present you now, here it is, the new Dragon Ball FighterZ. Finally, I got the game in the collector's edition I've been looking for. I'm absolutely super pumped with this. I've been waiting for months since released the E3 for that one back in 2017, and also at Evolution Championship Series. I see a lot of people tweet that one here on Twitch. Everyone went bonkers. Absolutely love it. So first of all, let's get to look at the box here. So this is the box here. But in the back, so this is the back area. I mean, that's really good. So basically, now you're thinking, how many gigabytes is it for if you go for PS4? Well, we're talking about is only 6 gigabytes. That's magnificently. That's a shocker. I thought it was gonna be like, you know, like 10 or 30 gigabytes for that one, but 6 gigabytes. You've done yourself a job. Well done for that one here. So let's get the unboxing begin. So we're going to take this off. And okay, so we got a nice art designs one here. We got Goku, Vegeta and Super Saiyan 2 Gohan. And there's more art in the back. There we are, the villains. Majin Buu, the Frieza and Cell, that one there. Possibly Cell, one of my favorite villains, that one there. That's why I love that one there. So anyway, let's begin the unboxing. So we're gonna take this little jumpy off here. Okay, almost there, guys. Almost there. All right. So we'll get the little box down here. Okay, so the first one, of course, is the game itself, that one here. So this is absolutely magnificently. I've been waiting for this, that one here. And as you can see at the back. So that's really good, that one there. So I cannot wait for that one here. Okay, next up we got here this is a steel booklet case, that one here, from Dragon Ball FighterZ. I mean, look at that. That's a fantastic cover over here. We got Goku down here, Gohan, Vegeta in there. Then there's Cell, Majin Buu, and Frieza for one here. And then the inside the case looks good. Is from the planet Namek. That one here, from the destruction of planet Namek. I mean, that's pretty good. Okay, next up we got here. Okay, I think this is gonna be the cards. So I'm gonna hopefully see. Must be one version of our cards up in there. So we cannot wait to see. So we're gonna take it off nicely. So hopefully when it gets sealed, nice to get sealed. Oh, look at this. Take it up bit off here. Okay, we got 3 of them, that one here, everybody. So we got here. We got Goku and Beerus, that one there. That's a fantastic one. And then what about this art one here? You got Goku and the Super Saiyan 3, Vegeta and adult Gohan here. And then you can't forget the androids, 17 and 18. I mean, that's really great for one of those artworks. So hopefully I will get that sorted. Hopefully, if you got a specialist someone there, I'm gonna keep this one processed today, so I don't want to get the steal. Okay, what else here? Need to give it back band. Okay, take it off. Okay. Now we get down to the real one here. Okay, we can take it off. Okay, this is the one I have been waiting for. This is the one I wanted so badly. So ladies and gentlemen, let's take a look. Let me get it. No, we have this little nice sealing tape up one here. So hopefully Okay. Alright. Here we go. So, take this off. And, oh, wow, this is magnificently, I'll be trying to get it out. Oh yeah, tape that one here again, so, okay, so here it is, ta-da! Here it is. This is the figurine statue. I waited for this, that one here. I love that artwork. It is great, that one here. Super Saiyan, all artworks, that one here. Goku Raging Super Saiyan, that one here. Obviously, that is as great as ever you ever seen. So ladies and gentlemen, so that is it. So basically, for collector's edition, you get the figurine like this. You get the cards. So once again, you get the exclusive art cards. And then you get the Steelbook edition here. And the game itself. So, like I said, I am so pleased and happy with this, that one here. I cannot wait to get started playing for it, and hopefully I got like a code for, you know, get my Super Saiyan Goku and Super Saiyan Vegeta Blue, that one here, both of them, and early lobbies. So hopefully I cannot wait to get started. So everyone, thank you so much for watching this nice unboxing video, and remember, drop the like, give us a comments below to think about the unboxing, and click punch the subscribe button. Till then, this is Jack here. See you later!